What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update analysis on Cardano. So if you are interested about the new setups that I'm currently watching here, especially on a lower time frame, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 30-minute time frame. After this huge pump, which had around like 100% of a net market, we are forming here this sideways channel, which is a bullish setup. Right now, I'm watching here two possible setups for a long position. The first possible setup will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And because we are having here almost zero liquidity on like a 30 minutes time frame, which means that after we will break this current high, then for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves, then you can place your last take profit target, let's say slightly under $0.82 mark, which will give you potential risk to reward up to 10. Definitely in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take like above this previous high, then under 0.7, 0.75, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 10, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like more like 6.57, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another trade that I am watching here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows. So if we will take liquidity under, and then we will do somewhere in this area a support confirmation, this can be another amazing long trade. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume will be the low will be similar like this one, so the stop loss will be like 4.45%, and then again your last take profit target you can place slightly under $0.82 mark, something like that, which will give you again risk reward ratio around 10. Maybe you are asking why there is the same risk reward ratio if we are aiming for a higher profit, and the reason is that we are using here a bigger stop loss. So in my opinion, this trade here is much safer, because we will take here an important liquidity. After that, we will have here a support confirmation, and then you will open here a long trade, which means that for the price, it will be really hard to collect liquidity under the low that we will create, which will give us really safe stop loss. Again, in this trade, you want to take multiple take profit targets. You can use the ones that I showed you in the previous setup, but definitely you also want to take some of the profits under this bearish order block, which is between levels, as I said, 0.643 and 0.631. On the 1 hour chart, we are also having these bullish order blocks, which are starting on the level 0.44. To these order blocks to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 23-24% of a net market. And in my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna hit those prices. But if we will, this can be another really amazing long opportunity with a trade that can look, for example, like this. But as I said, right now, I'm not expecting that we are gonna hit this area. So this setup is now out of table, but if we are gonna get close, I will be definitely doing another analysis on this coin in which I will describe you this exact setup. Also, you can see that on the 1 hour chart, we are having this bearish order block, which is kind of similar like this one that I showed you on the 30-minute time frame, but this one on the 1 hour chart is higher, which will give you a potential better stop loss. So the stop loss here will be like 6.3%, which will give you definitely worse risk reward ratio if you will aim for the same take profit target, but it will give you much safer stop loss, so you can actually decide on which time frame you wanna take that first trade. Let's now take a look on a quick recap. Of course, if you like those analysis and you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely I will be really happy if you consider joining to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But let's now get back to the 12-hour chart. In the last video, we were testing this bearish order block, and right now you can see we are still testing this area. So the setup in which I am waiting for a breakout and then support confirmation, is still valid. If you want to know the exact setup, watch my previous Cardano analysis, because I described there my exact stop loss, exact take profit targets, etc. But right now I am still waiting, because in the long time perspective we are under really important resistance. But if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, this can be another insane long opportunity. If we will take a look on a weekly time frame, you can see in the long time perspective this coin is heavily undervalued. We are testing here an important bearish order blocks, which again give us an opportunity for a potential long trade in case of a support confirmation in this area. Again, if you want to know the exact trade, I recommend you to watch my previous Cardano analysis. But yeah guys, these were all the, let's say, new setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. Another setup I shared today in my Discord trading group, so if you want to know about it, then definitely don't forget to join. As I said, my Discord trading group link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.